Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use OBS Studio for recording Google Meet. So let's get started. First, go to the official OBS Studio website and download the latest version. After that, install it on your computer. Then open OBS Studio and set up your scene. Over here, add a source and select Display Capture to record your screen where Google Meet will be running. Next, open Google Meet and join your meeting as usual. After that, in Google Meet, select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera input. Then go back to OBS Studio and click on Start Virtual Camera. Once everything is set, head back to OBS and click Start Recording. OBS will now begin capturing your meeting. When the meeting ends, click Stop Recording. Your recording will be saved automatically, usually in your videos folder. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.